Hello, it's Jim from JetsonHacks.com. Today I'm going to show you how to install Robot Operating System, also called ROS, on the NVIDIA Jetson Nano Developer Kit. On the JetsonHacks Nano account on GitHub, there is a repository named Install ROS. The repository contains a convenience script to help us install ROS and set up our Catkin workspace. We are running on a newly prepared SD card, running L4T 32.2.1, JetPack 4.2.2. Let's clone the repository. And switch over to that repository's directory. Let's take a look at our instructions down here. Let's see what the help has to say for itself. We are going to install ROS Melodic. It also installs ROS Melodic ROS Base as the default base package. Now we can use a different base package, ROS Melodic Desktop or Desktop Full. Plus we could also add any other packages we want to add at this time. Let's install ROS Melodic Desktop. Password. Installation complete. The script also installed ROSDEP and ROS install. Now we are ready to create our Catkin workspace. If we run the setup Catkin workspace without any parameters, it will just build Catkin_WS in the home directory. We can set an optional workspace name if we want, include the file path and the name of the Catkin workspace. We can use a different workspace name by adding that as a parameter. You can pass that as a file path with the new name on the end. Let's just create a default workspace. Okay, we're all set up. The script tries to set up a ROS master URI and a ROS IP. The bash RC script runs whenever you open a terminal. Let's take a look at it. The script appends at the end. We can see here it set the ROS master to be localhost, and that's the port number. And the ROS IP is set to be the IP of this particular machine. You should set these up to match your network specification. This looks all right. Let's close her up. Clear this off. We need to source bash RC again. We can do that by opening up a new terminal, or we can source it here. And now we can run ROS core. And let's make sure it's running. Open up a new terminal. And we will list out our ROS topics. And there's our topics, just as we expected. That's the install. I think we are going to need a robot to start playing with this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.